make nwo ya yotago ana agba ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ anaghị agba enwedo otu esi agba ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ so ka iburu ya n'obi ka obi gị ghara iwe bịa ha na-akwụ gị ego ha ga-akwụ gị gị gbawazi ọsọ gị gba ọsọ n'ihe ịgba ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ iwishiri onwe gị 100% ọnwụ a na-agbagha ya agbagha a na-ajụ akwana ya ajụgha so biko help ọnụ m share no this video maka ndị na-achọ ịbịa na ọnwụ na intention gị ewe bịa ka ịgba ọsọ ihe dị otu ahụ adịrị ịgba ọsọ iwishiri onwe gị 100% ọnwụ. Thank you.
Please, if you like what I'm doing, please share this particular video widely so that it can be able to get many people. It can be able to get many people, and this particular video is for all the Igbo youth, because this Russian soldier that people are seeing on my screen is an Igbo man, and he's speaking Igbo for Igbo people to understand what he's trying to say. So this particular video is for all the Igbo youth, so just pay attention and listen to him, and so that other people can be able to also learn from this particular video. Don't go and join Russia soldier and after everything you will tell yourself that you want to go, that you have seen what you want, that you want to go. So that is what he's trying to explain here. So my fellow Biafrans, do well to watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any particular video of this video. So share this video and remain blessed. May God continue to bless you as we watch the video and share.
Okay, guys, get on of ma the channel of ma because I can share this video because when you hear them answer you can this video, you know. So many people now reach out to me, you know. Now I'm not Arabia, you know. So watch my video, I'm gonna make way kind of people now the thing are easy, you know. And when him ne cool tell you de, and my kunkem pump and plan not easy. Mana ihe na-ewute m na anọ m n'ihe ọgụ n'eziokwu anọ m n'ihe ọgụ so n'ihe ọgụ aha nọ ndị a na-erichi m na ha chọrọ ịbịa, you understand, mbịa mgwachakwa ha sị m ha chọrọ ịbịa onye make up his mind good and fine, but o wutere m na mmadụ bịara na my DM jụwa m sị m ego ole ka ọ ga-eri ya ibi obodo a, you know. So ụta m nọ n'ihe ọgụ enwe m access ịbịa sị gị na ọmụ a ga-emere gị nke a mere gị nke ọzọ, kama na ndị nọ outside ka m ga-contact, you know, jụọ ha agwa m. So the person ajụọ m contact ya people ha agwa m ngwa the person na-asị m ọwụ Russian visa wụ 200,000 ka m na-akpọrọ ya aha ego. So mgbe o sendere m that message mụnwa akọpụrụ ya, you know, that's the one thing meziri no people na-chat m mụnwa na-reply ha, you understand, because ọwụ agana m anọ n'ihe ọgụ na-eme ihe niile a m sị gị na anọ m n'ihe ọgụ na-eprocess ga akwa ụmụ onye achị on the outside, you know, ka m ga-enye the money. Second one wụ ihe njikwa gbagbu ị na-reply message ndị na-asị m ha chọrọ ịbịa wụ na enwere high rate of iri ego mmadụ n'obodo a. So otu a m nọ na awụ m aka na-ama nzu, ndị bayi si na aka na-ama nzu adịrọ mma ịmụ unyi, so aka m ji ama nzu ejiro m ya ama unyi. Ndụ m na-adị plan eziokwu, awụ m na adventurer since ejiri wee mụọ m, enwebe ihe m na-eme bụ ihe eji akpata ego na-awụ risk ka m na-etake all my life. If you know me, go and ask question. Obodo oyibo niile m gagoro ama na adventurer, ihe niile m na-eme wụ risk, you know. Ana m eme legal something na obodo oyibo ka m nwere kpata ego, or adventurer ka m mụ. So but ọ ga-ebe na nke a after this one anything adventurist ma akwụsị ya. So second one we nwere high rate of iri ego mmadụ n'obodo a, a lot of complain, you know. So ihe njikwa gbagbo the thing wụ ka m mara ịnara mmadụ ego nyega mmadụ outside ya rie the money because mụ nọ n'ihe ọgụ, you know. Enwe ihe m ga-eme, and ndị ahụ anyị nara ego aha nyega mmadụ onye ga-emere ha something, ọ gụnwa ga-akwụ ha that money. Ị na-akọrọ ha na iji kwenye mmadụ ego onye erie ya, ị na-agwa ha na iji kwenye mmadụ ego onye erie ya, ha ama ihe ị na-akọ, ọ ngụnwa ga-akwụ that money. So ndụ m dị straight, you know. Nigeria otu Nigeria dị na-awụ ihe mmadụ ga-enye m ego m nyega mmadụ onye arie the money mbịa m kọwara onye aha story, ịghọtago. So mụnwa adama ihe a wụrọ ndụ m from mgbe eji mụọ m wee ruo kịta. Nwe onye ga-apụta na-asị m na-eme na business m rie ego ya ma onye enyere m ego mere something m wee rie the money. Ihe dị otu ahụ adịrọ. So ka ụnụ ghọta ya, na ọ bụrụ na achọọ m reply ma ọ achọọ m imere people anything. No, achọọ m onye m ga-inye mmadụ ego ya rie. High rate of iri ego mmadụ dị n'obodo a, ịghọtago. Ndị be anyị na-eme ibe ha 30, so ya mere mụnwa ji just pipe godo low, ịghọtago. And again, ka m werekwe this video clear one comment. Mmadụ jụrụ m sị m ọ wee bịa ọ wee nwee ike ịgbanwe ọsọ, like otu a m nọ n'ihe ọgụ na m gbalaga sa achọghị m ịnọ m gbalaga. Nwanne ọ dịrọ ịgba ha n'ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ, inyere onwe gị 100% ọnwụ. Ị na-ewe iwe ishiri onwe gị 100% ọnwụ, because na 100% of people ndị gbara ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ, ọ bụrụ na enwe ndị succeediri na 1%, and ọ bụrụ na 1% a succeediri, ọ gwa gị ihe ọhụrụ before succeed, ị ga-ekwete. Number 1, ndị gbalagara n'aka ha iwe na-rebel to them. Ozugbo ịgbalagara ha na-ese ndị mmadụ abụọ 2 ese ndị unu 2 unu nye onwe distance like 30 meters. Onye nke ọzọ ala anya ga-ahụ gị, ya laghachi azụ position ebe ndị otu anyị nọ, gwa ha sị ha na lekwa onye nke ọzọ ha ya ahụzi ya. Ewere drone chọwa gị, chọta gị ebe ị nọ, ewere nke na-ebu ogbunigwe bịa dị agbuo gị. Nwanne nke ga-aga na-echefu oge, nwe ihe eji ga-eme, ịghọtago. Then gị gbakwa n'ọsọ gbapụ n'aka ha, succeed gawa ihe ọgụ. Ndị enemy anyị ga-ejikwa drone ha gbuo gị before ị na-eme ị chọrọ ịchili aka elu. Onye na-apịa ihe ọpịpị drone egbuo na gị. So enweghị megidere gba ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ, na-agba ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ. Ịchọ ịgba ọsọ ebe aha mgbe ị batara city ma mgbe anyị nọ n'ihu training ground, imepụ nwodi a gị gba ọsọ, ma ọ bụ na ị nwere injury gaa ụlọ ọgwụ, si n'ụlọ ọgwụ gbaa ọsọ ma ime ekenwo ya, ịghọtago. A na-agba ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ, anaghị enwedo otu esi agba ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ. So ka i buru ya n'obi, ka obi gị ghara iwe bịa ha na-akwụ gị ego ha ga-akwụ gị, gị gbawazi ọsọ, gị gba ọsọ n'ihe. Ịgba ọsọ n'ihe ọgụ iwishiri onwe gị 100% ọnwụ, a na-agbagha ya agbagha, a na-ajụ akwana ya ajụgha. So biko help ọnụ m share na this video maka ndị na-achọ ịbịa na ọnwụ na intention gị ewe bịa ka ịgba ọsọ ihe dị otu ahụ adịrị. Ịgba ọsọ iwishiri onwe gị 100% ọnwụ. Thank you.
Chief Hamadike Mazi Nnamdi Kalu was a member of the Mazob. The Mazob of Raf Owazurike, or Barrister Raf Owazurike. And as a matter of fact, when he feels that Owazurike was not getting some things right, like when some people allege that some of his anger were the fact that Owazurike was selling to certain people Biafran passport when the secession has not been actually or formally actualized. So he looked at those things. It was more or less like a fraud from his own end or from his own perception. Then he decamped and started what he called IPOB.
Alright, Ibomulu's the Monson Konichikwari Yazelo. Talked about the 5th day of July 2026. I will not say about Chitaga Drawing Chama. So this particular video from this our brother has been on Twitter since yesterday. I saw the video and it was a very, very intelligent video. Sika will tell you on Kunusolum watch here. Actually, get into the forward in the XDOS now this video. I wanted to listen to what he said. A very, very intelligent, well coordinated speech from him. Share your thoughts after watching the video and do well to share the video. Can just always survive with you. Enjoy the rest of the videos. I'll be right back.
My name is Kalomosi Sobu. I want to talk to DOX, Directorate of State, an extract administrative office from IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra. Number one, I want to beg you people for a favor. And what is that favor? The favor is these controversies that you people want to put us into, to always start talking some things that are quite irrelevant, that the analysis are not necessary because they are not true and can never be true. I want to beg you people to desist from it. At this point in time, if you really believe that you are working for the favor of Biafra and Biafran actualization, we need you to give us some element of focus or concentration. You people are distracting us too much and too irrelevantly. In as much as I know that you people are very much aware that all of us are not fools, neither are we insane or children. It's obvious that you people must have known that you are becoming too irritating and too irrelevant. And this is not exactly what is going to give us what we want. Except if you know that you have been bought over by the Nigerian government to come into us and distract us because of the upcoming genocide that the Nigerian government is planning against us, so that we'll be fighting among us, quarreling, criticizing ourselves irrelevantly until they strike us unprepared. If that is what you are looking for, I think it is also time we let you know that we are aware that that is exactly what you are looking for, so that you can stop distracting us. The distraction is too much. The distraction is obviously too much. And as a matter of fact, let me make this thing clear. Chief Ohamadike Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was a member of the Mazob. The Mazob of Raf Owazurike, or Barrister Raf Owazurike. And as a matter of fact, when he feels that Owazurike was not getting some things right, like when some people allege that some of his anger were the fact that Owazurike was selling to certain people Biafran passport when the secession has not been actually or formally actualized. So he looked at those things. It was more or less like a fraud from his own end or from his own perception. Then he decamped and started what he called IPOB. And today, at both left and both right, at both front and both back, at both up and at both down, the IPOB of Chief Ohamadike Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have generated a very serious momentum so far as the actualization of this freedom of the Biafran land is concerned. He has done much than many people expected, and he have lost a lot than many people thought he could bear. And today he is still losing a lot, to the point that he is still losing his freedom indefinitely, that we don't know when it is going to end. And just the other day, just like Aaron did and distracted the children of Israel when Moses went up to the mountain on their behalf, the IPOBs, through their DOX, have distracted us so much that we really need to call them back and call them to order. Why have I made this brief story? If you think that Nnamdi Kanu is not doing it right, you can establish a movement. So far as the Biafran actualization is concerned, you can establish a movement. You can decamp, start something, then risk yourself, take the risk that Nnamdi Kanu have done, or a little lesser than that, or something greater than that, whatever. Let us see how far it could go. If we are being sincere, people will know and follow you the way they followed Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. There is no two ways about that. Stop coming to the public and tell us that Nnamdi Kanu is not the supreme leader and blah, 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 and that you have demoted him and that he is no longer the leader of IPOB and this and that and that. Are you not seeing yourself like a fraudster, a noise maker, or a distractor? Are you now not seeing yourself like a plant in our midst? Are you not ashamed of those utterances? Somebody who is still serving the jail. You know one thing, to cut the long story short, if you think that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is no longer the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, that you have relegated him, that you have refused him to be your leader anymore, that IPOB is not a family thing. I don't know who told you that he said it's a family thing. That IPOB is no longer a family thing, that it has to be a public thing. Something you can do is very simple. Bring Nigerian government into that and tell him to free Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, that you want to go in for it and begin to serve those jail of life sentence. I mean, this thing will make sense like this. Tell the Nigerian government to relieve Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and to take you in, that you are willing to stay in his position. I didn't ask you to bring your parents to die the way Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's parents have died because of this struggle. No, let that be your gain, or part of the thing that you don't need to sacrifice anymore. Just tell Nigerian government to bring Mazen Nnamdi Kanu out for us, that you want to go and serve the life sentence that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is already serving. I mean, some of you will just wake up and start getting unnecessarily stupid without realizing that you are getting too stupid than it is necessary. Please, you people should stop distracting us. We are no longer going to be taking this your nonsense.